You like my screens? What about this one? Or how about this one? Okay, so if you like the backdrops that I've been using and you want to do the same for your YouTube videos using just a simple Android phone, you're going to need two things, a green screen app and a green screen kit. Let's go to eBay and let's find some of those green screen kits first of all. Once you've got your kit, you set it up just like I've done over here. As you can see, it's only a green screen at the back. Okay, just head over to eBay, type in green screens, green screen kit even, and see what comes up. Just make your choice, choose what you think is going to work for you based on your room size and how much space you have. Okay, so once you've gone ahead and bought your green screen, you're going to need your app. So head over to your Play Store or Google Play, go into the search results, type in green screen app. You'll have a whole list of apps that came up. I personally went for green screen video. You download the app, open it up. Okay, here we are again. So now that the app is open, go over to the left of the screen, click on the lines. Here you can see backdrop and galleries. Well, click onto drop. Here you have a whole list of screens that you could use. You might recognize some of the ones that I used earlier on. With this app, you could probably even go ahead and use your own from your gallery on your phone, but I won't do that. You could choose effects and even light test just to make sure you got the right light. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe.